Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we are discussing integer. As you all know what integers are, till I will tell you. You have heard natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It's a natural number. If you include 0, it will become whole number. And if you include negative of natural number, then it will become integers. These all are called negative integers. These all are called positive integers. All natural numbers are called positive integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It's kind of neutral. Next, how do you compare integers? If you want to compare any two numbers, then you can easily say, let's suppose some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is 246. First, see number of digits. If digits are same, then first digit we will compare. First digit is same, then second digit same, then third digit. Yeah, for comparison, these symbols you know, less than, equal to, and greater than. Let's suppose A is greater than A, this symbol. A is smaller than A, this symbol. This number is bigger. And if both numbers are equal, then we will put all negative integers are less than 0. And 0 is even less than positive integer. So in a sense, you can say all negative integers are less than all positive integers. So if you want to compare -5 to 1, or -5 to 0, or -2, then it will be like this. Natural number you have seen already comparison. This 42 is greater than 38. We have seen this. But if you both are negative, then this order is reversed. That is the only rule you have to remember. Negative to positive easily you can compare. Negative to 0 easily you can compare. Positive you can compare. Positive to 0 also you can compare. Only two negatives when we have to compare. Nah, this rule you have to remember. If positive numbers, whatever order is there, greater than or less than, in negative numbers, that order is reversed. And yeah, there is no such thing as -0. -0 is same as 0. This number do not exist. Basically, outside 0, any symbol you put, it is +0. Because something -0, sorry, something -0 is same number, and something +0 is also same number. Okay, leave that. Now, how to operate? There are basic 4 operations: plus, minus, multiply, and divide. In natural numbers and whole numbers, it is easy. You have already learned that. Now, in integers, how will you do? -3 plus 2 plus -2. How will you do? It's simple. Basically, in addition, we have already learned any number you can add first, and any number you can add later. I can add -3 and -1 together first and then 2 later on. That also basically minus 3 represent 3 steps in negative direction and plus 2, 2 steps in positive direction. So total will be 1. But no need to remember this much. You have to remember since they are opposite sign, they are like subtraction. And since minus sign is having higher value, so it will result in, sorry. Anyways, leave it. If you are minus 3 and 2, what will happen? Both will be subtracted since both have less value. You can this write as this also, and you can write as this also. All are same. If you add 2 and minus 1, it will be 1. You can write as this also, or you can write as this also. If you add minus 3, let's say next page. If you add minus 3 and minus 2, you can write as this also, or you can write as, or you can write as, all will result in same. It will be minus 5. You can assume it going 2 steps down and then 3 steps down. Total will be 5 steps downward. Simply remember that there is a concept called number line, where numbers are represented on a line. Here it is 0, and on equal distance, all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. In the opposite side, negative integers. In between their decimal fraction, anything can be denoted. But these are just important points on number line. Centrally here 0 available. So minus 4 means 4 steps in negative direction. And after that plus 2 means 2 steps in positive direction. This direction is positive. This direction is negative. That way you can easily understand. If you go for subtraction, then also subtraction can be written as addition of two negative numbers or two positive numbers, whatever you go. If you go this type of subtraction, what will happen? This two symbols will combine to form plus. How is this combination happen? Whenever nothing is outside bracket, that means one is being multiplied with that bracket. What should I say? Whenever two negative numbers multiply, they will result into positive. For multiplication, you can remember minus into minus will result in plus. Minus into plus will result in minus. Plus into minus also same. And plus into plus will always plus. That we do in natural numbers also. All positive integer multiply with positive, result will be positive. If you remember this, it will be easy for you to solve these simple problems. Let's suppose minus 3 minus minus 5. How will you solve this? Simply, whenever you solve bracket outside now, these two symbols will converge into plus. minus into minus will become plus. And then minus is negative of 3 and positive of 5 will give positive of 2 or simply 2. Whenever there is no symbol, it is called positive number. Whenever negative symbol is there, it is called minus. If you want to further simplify this, you can convert like this also. It is same only. Just changing the order, the sign is together with that same number. One more step is required. Hmm. After this is step, and then this is step. Okay, so far you understood. Huh? Similarly, back to our original question, or should I create a new question? Yeah, if any order like this, we will follow same BODMAS rule. First brackets we will solve. Whenever solving this bracket, these two symbols, this and this, these will merge. Total will become 3. Now minus 3 and plus 3 some people directly cancel because first they will add these two. Minus 3 and plus 3 total sum will be 0. So overall result will be like they directly cancel this and their add remaining numbers. Result will automatically be that is correct. So far clear? Next we go to multiplication. As you all know, this is minus 3 and this is 2. 2 means positive 2. So negative and positive result will be negative only. 3 into 2 result will be 6. It's easy. Normally multiply whatever minus symbols that accordingly we will see. Since two symbol together we do not use, we use bracket. That's why multiply and bracket are here. So it will be positive 6 or simply 6. 3 into 2 is 6 and minus into minus is plus. Now we understood. Huh? Okay. 3 into minus 2. Minus 2 into 3. Both are same. It will result to minus 6. All properties are same like distributive property, reciprocal property, all whichever we have studied before now, same properties are there, associative property. All we can use here, like A into B into C. Any order, any way you multiply, it will be same. A into C into B. Or A into B into C. Any way you multiply, every result will be same. Okay. Negative to positive, we have already multiplied. Positive to positive, you all know. 3 into 2. Positive to negative, we have already multiplied. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Now, what if there are three negative numbers? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. Simply multiply 3 into 2 into 5. That will be 30. Anyway, you can multiply 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. That is easier way. Otherwise, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Or 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30. Remaining are there are 3 minus. This minus into minus will become plus, and one more minus multiply, then it will become minus. Total will be minus 30. According to that, you see. Okay, it is easy. Odd number of minus will minus multiply, result will be minus only. Even number of minus will become plus. But no need to remember that odd, even, or this complex things. Anything, okay, directly multiply. Minus 5 into minus 2, it will become plus 10. And minus 3 into plus 10, what should I say? Minus 3 into 10 will become minus 30. Anything multiplied with negative will become negative. Again, negative multiply will become positive. It is like this. Reciprocal of reciprocal is same. Okay, so far operations you understood.